Are you nervous?
Only privately.
Are you enjoying court?
Immensely.
Are you mocking the court?
Admiring.
Are you aware of your impact?
Fully.
Do you understand court procedure?
Winging it.
Do you swear to tell the truth?
The entertaining truth.
Do you have legal counsel?
I represent myself beautifully.
Do you respect the law?
Stylishly.
Do you plan to cooperate?
Within reason.
Do you rehearse these answers?
Life coached me.
Do you understand the charges?
Excess personality.
Do you believe you're innocent?
Of boredom, yes.
Do you respect this bench? Solid craftsmanship.
Do you have remorse? For stealing attention.
Is this behavior intentional?
Always. Is this your final statement? Almost iconic.
Is this your first court appearance?
First as a star.
State your name for the record. Memorable.
What brings you before this court?
Fate and timing.
What should the jury remember?
This moment.
What should I write in the record?
History.
Why are you smiling? Confidence is contagious. Why are people filming?
Historic moment.
Why are you standing so proudly?
Good posture, good outcomes.
Why are you so calm? Trust the process. Why are cameras still rolling?
Peak engagement.
Why are you standing so still?
Commanding presence. Why did you pause just now? Dramatic silence.
Why won't the audience settle down?
They're invested.
Why won't you stop talking?
You keep asking.
Why won't the room quiet down?
Momentum.
Are you satisfied with this hearing?
Very.
Do you know the consequences?
Fame.
Do you follow courtroom rules?
Creatively.
What is your defense?
Charm.
What's your strategy?
Honesty with flair. Why do you pause before speaking?
Timing is everything.